Hello everyone, good morning. In previous video we have done exercise 6C up to question number 5 and rest of the number I told we'll discuss it in next video, and today we are going to discuss exercise 6C question number 6 to question number 11. Okay, just let us start question number 6. Question number 6, open your book, page number, chapter 6, 9, exercise 6C, and see question number 6. If 2205 equal to 3 to the power A times 5 to the power B times 7 to the power C. So question is, find the numerical values of A, B and C, and number 2 is evaluate 3 to the power A times 5 to the power minus B times 7 to the power minus C. Okay. So to get the second number you have to find the value of A, B and C. So let us find. First, what you have to do here, 3, 5 and 7 as factorized, and the exponents, the index are not given. The index you have to find out. Whose index you have to find out? 3, 5 and 7's index you have to find out. Okay. How can you find out this one? First, you have to factorize 2205 as 3, 5 and 7 like this. Okay. Here. So we got 2, 3 and 1, 5 and 2, 7. Okay. So 2205 equal to 3 square into 5 to the power 1 into 7 square. Okay. So you got the value of A, B and C. A equal to 2, B equal to 1 and C equal to 2. Okay. Because here 3 to the power 2 means this one A, 5 to the power 1 means it is B, 7 to the power 2 means it is C. Okay. Now students, just see question number 2. 3 to the power A into 5 to the power minus B into 7 to the power minus C. That means 3 square, in place of A put the value 2, and in place of B put the value 1, and in place of C put the value 2. Okay. So first we have written these two index as in positive index. Okay. 3 square into 1 by 5 into 1 by 7 square. Okay. So that is 3 square it is 9, and 5, 7 square it is 49, 5 times 49. So 9 by 245 is the answer. Okay. Here it is. Now students, just see question number 7. If BQ C to the power minus 2 by B to the power minus 4 by CQ whole to the power minus 3 division with B inverse C, B square and C to the power minus 2 whole to the power 5 equal to BX C B to the power X C to the power Y. Prove that X plus Y plus 6 equal to 0. This question is showing as complicated, but don't worry, we'll solve it step by step. Okay. So first take the LHS. Here the LHS, this one. Okay. So just I have solved by using the rules of index exponents. Okay. So BQ and C square, BQ and C to the power minus 2. Here B and C are there. So just write all the like bases first. B to the power 3, and this one will become the numerator, means B to the power 4. Okay. BQ and b to the power 4. Then after these two are like bases, so c to the power minus 2, c to the power minus 3 whole to the power this minus 3. Same as like that we have solved it here, whole to the power 5. Okay, now just solve this all by using the rules. B to the power 3 plus 4, c to the power minus 2 plus minus 3 whole to the power minus 3, and here b to the power minus 1 plus minus 2, that means minus 1 minus 2, and c to the power, here nothing is there means 1 is there, c to the power 1 plus 2. Okay, now just write in next step the values. B to the power 7 and c to the power minus 5, b to the power minus 3, c to the power 3 whole to the power 5. Okay, now separate it again, the rule separate it. Okay, b to the power 7 whole to the power minus 3, c to the power minus 3 minus 5 whole to the power minus 3. Okay, same as like that. Then after just multiply the exponents, b to the power minus 21, c to the power minus 15, and here minus 3 5 job minus 15 and 3 5 job 15. Okay, now just add the exponents because like bases we got. Okay, and since division is here, you have to subtract the exponents of like bases. Okay, so here b to the power 21 minus 21, and here minus of minus 15, and here c to the power minus 15, and here 15 and 15. Okay, now minus 15 plus 15 it will become 0, and here minus 21 plus 15 it is minus 6. Okay, now students just see b to the power minus 6 times c to the power 0 we got. This one is our LHS. And what is our RHS? B to the power x into c to the power y. You can write it here because LHS equal to RHS. In question it is given. Now students just you can see it here. From these two, by seeing these two, you can understand this. The value of x equal to minus 6 and the value of y equal to 0. Okay. Now here you have to prove x plus y plus 6 equal to 0. So that's why write that condition and put these two values, the value of x and y. Minus 6 plus 0 plus 6 equal to, these two will cancel out and you got 0. So we have proved this one, x plus y plus 6 equal to 0 here. Okay. Now just see question number 8. Prove that x plus y inverse into x inverse plus y inverse equal to 1 by xy. X plus y inverse means you can write it as 1 by x plus y like this, and x inverse you can write it here. You have to convert the negative exponent into positive exponent. Okay, so that's why it will be 1 by x and this one will be 1 by y. Okay, now just find out the LCM and get the numerator and denominator. So numerator will be x plus y and denominator, the LCM is xy times x plus y. Okay, now this x plus y and x plus y will be cancelled out, and what you will get? 1 by xy. So this is our RHS. We have proved here. Okay, now number 2, like that you can do it. And question number 3, a plus b plus c by a inverse b inverse plus b inverse c inverse plus c inverse a inverse equal to ABC you have to prove. Okay, so let us take the LHS. Okay, like this, and this inverse, as I said before, you have to change the exponent into positive exponents. So that's why here it will be 1 by AB, 1 by BC and 1 by CA. Okay, now just see, solve the denominator. find out this LCM will be ABC, and here CAB, the numerator. Okay, now just see A plus B plus C, already it is in numerator. Okay, and into this one will be ABC by C plus A plus B. Okay, now these two will cancel out. Okay, because here ABC is there in addition, and here also ABC is there in addition. So what is left now? ABC. So this is our RHS we got. So LHS equal to RHS we have proved. Okay, now see question number 5. Okay, question number 3 we have done. Question number 4, just try to do it yourself. Question number 5, I have done it for you. AB root x by a by x to the power a by x to the power b, and BC root x to the power b by x to the power c into CA root x to the power c by x to the power a equal to 1 you have to prove. Students, just remember, while you are writing second root of x, what you mean by this? This means x to the power 1 by 2. Same as like that, here AB root x by x to the power a by x to the power b it is given. Already you know like bases are given inside the root. Okay, so you can write it x to the power a minus b, and here also you can write x to the power b minus c, and here x to the power c minus a. But what about AB root, BC root and CA root? As I said, x to the power 1 by 2 means 2 root x. Okay, 2 root x means x to the power 1 by 2. AB root x means x to the power 1 by AB, no? So that's why x to the power, here it is x to the power a minus b whole to the power this root 1 by AB, here 1 by BC and 1 by CA. Now you got it. Now just multiply the exponents of like bases. Okay, then after find the LCM. Okay, like this we have multiplied and we have added here. Okay, now just find out the LCM. LCM will be ABC, and here C times A plus B, here A times B minus C, and here B times C minus A. Okay, now just multiply all that, you will get CA minus CB plus AB minus AC plus BC minus BA. Okay, so students, just see, you can see it here, CA, and here CA also there in minus, so these two will cancel out, CB and BC will cancel out, AB and BA will cancel out. So what is left now? X to the power 0 by ABC, that means x to the power 0, and any number to the power 0 means the value is 1, already you know about it. So x to the power 0 equal to 1, and here it is our RHS, we have proved LHS equal to RHS. Okay, now students, just see question number 9. The number 9 is simplification. P to the power 1 by 3 minus P to the power minus 1 by 3 into P to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 plus P to the power minus 2 by 3. So students, just think about this. This one is in which form? Just you see, it is in the form of a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, here I have taken, let a equal to p by 3, p whole 1 by 3, and b equal to p whole minus 1 by 3. Now you can write it. Okay, a minus b and a square plus ab plus b square. A square b square I have written here, and ab And this AB, how you got it? P to the power 1 by 3 and P to the power minus 1 by 3. It will be cancelled out. It will become P to the power 0. It is equal to 1. Okay. Now, you can write this one. And from this, which formula we got? We got AQ minus BQ. Now, write this one I have taken as equation 1. Use this equation 1 here. Okay. P to the power 1 by 3 whole to the power 3. That is our AQ. And the value of B is P to the power minus 1 by 3. Okay. Whole to the power 3. Now, just see. 1 by 3 into 3. So, this 3 and 3 will be cancelled out. Here also 3 and 3 will be cancelled out. Here 1 left. Here minus 1 left. So, it is P minus P inverse means 1 by P. Okay. So, the answer is P minus 1 by P. Now, just see number 2. Same as like that. Which formula it is? Just see. Take A equal to root 11 and B equal to root 3. So, you will get A plus B to the power 1 by 3 and A minus B to the power 1 by 3. So, 1 by 3, here also 1 by 3 it is there. Okay. So, you can write A plus B into A minus B whole to the power 1 by 3. Okay. Now, A plus B into A minus B, you know the formula, A square minus B square whole to the power 1 by 3. And now, use the value which is in equation 1. The value of A is root 11 and B is root 3. Root 11 square minus root 3 square whole to the power 1 by 3. So, root 11 square means 11 and root 3 square means it is 3. 11 minus 3 whole to the power 1 by 3. 11 minus 3 means it is 8. 8 to the power 1 by 3 and 8 means 2q you can write it. And here this 3 and 3 will be cancelled out. Okay. What you got? 2 to the power 1 that is equal to 2. Okay. So, question number 9 also over. Now, just see question number 10. If 3 to the power x equal to 5 to the power y equal to 45 to the power z, prove that x equal to 2yz by y minus z. Okay. Just see 3 to the, take these two, 3 to the power x equal to 5 to the power y. Therefore, 3 equal to 5 by 5 to the power y minus x. Take it as equation 1. Same as like that, these two you take. Okay, you will get this one and no need to write this. Okay. Now, from equation 1 and 2, what you got? The value of 3. 5 to the power y by x equal to these two will be equal. Okay. Now, just solve it. 5 to the power y minus x equal to this one 45. You can expand it as 5 into 9. 5 to the power z by x into 9 to the power z by x. Okay. Now, these two like bases you solve it. So that you will get 5 to the power y minus z by x, and here this one will left. Why y minus z? Because this one will go that side. Okay. That will be divide. So that's why y minus z by x. Now x and x will be cancelled out. So that you got 5 to the power y minus z equal to 9 by z. So what is the value of 5? 5 equal to 9 to the power z by y minus z. Take it as equation 3. Now just see, you take 3 to the power x equal to 5 to the power y. Okay. Okay. Now 3 to the power x, and in place of 5 you can take this value. Okay. And this y, the power y will be here. Okay. Now 3 equal to 9 to the power, this one you have to multiply the exponents zy by y minus z, and this one will become here it will be 1 minus 1 by x. And students, just remember 3 equal to root 9 equal to 3, or you can say second root of 9 equal to 3, or you can write what, 9 to the power 1 by 2 equal to 3. So that's why I have taken this 3 as 9 to the power 1 by 2, so that I will make all the bases as same. Okay, so 9 to the power 1 by 2, here 9 to the power zy by y minus z into 1 by x. So 9 and 9 will be cancelled out. The exponent will left 1 by 2 equal to zy by y minus z into 1 by x. Now just cross multiply this. By cross multiplication you will get x equal to 2yz by y minus z. We have proved this one here. Okay, so students, question number 11, just try it yourself, and in next class we'll read exponential equations and we'll discuss exercise 6D. Okay, and this lesson will be complete on next video. Okay students, that's all for today. Thank you.